Goodness. Hey friends, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic here, and my oldest grandbaby, we love her, Emma Grace, and we are gonna, do you want to tell them what we're making tonight?
A DIY patriotic banner.
Oh, cool. We're gonna make our patriotic banner. We're so excited. Do you want to tell them why you're here?
Camp Nana.
We're having Camp Nana for 2 whole weeks. Are we so excited? We're so excited. Well, we had a couple other of the grands that were gonna craft with us tonight, but they bailed on us, so it's just me and Emma, right? Yeah. So we're gonna make this banner for you guys. I've been promising. We kind of did a little prep work because we didn't want to keep you on here for 2 hours. Plus, we're gonna watch a movie, aren't we, at some point? So anyway, but we're super excited about this banner because it's really cute what we've done so far. But you guys know I had that old pair of jeans, right? And we cut the heck out of it today. So let me show you, hold on, without knocking over the phone. Yes, ma'am?
Miss Danielle said something. She
okay,
said,
wait. I'm glad you can see. Nana has a hard time seeing the,
I can see.
Excuse the pajamas. We're in loungewear because hashtag Camp Nana, right? Okay. Hey, Miss Gianna. Hey, Miss Danielle. Good y'all on here with us. Let me show you these jeans. So these are what's left of our jeans. You see, we cut them all up. So what I did, we used the pocket for our flag. That's where the pocket was. So today, Emma and I cut a leg out. And so I still got plenty, so I might come up with something else. But we cut a leg out just long ways up the front and the back. So we had a long strip about yay wide. And then what we did was we cut these little pennant shapes out for our banner. This is gonna be our banner. So what we did was we cut one, right? And you know, I don't like to measure unless I'm cutting wood, but I cut out the one and then we folded it in half and we dovetailed it. We folded it in half and then cut the corner off. So then we had this little template. So then we went on there and cut out the rest of the squares. So I was going to show you how I did the dovetail. So we'll fold this one in half, and then what I did, because again, work smarter not harder, I took the one that I had already done just so they'll be, and again, I'm not measuring, but we wanted them to kind of be the same size, right, Em? So we just took it and I folded it in half, and you'll see now I got a template of where to cut. So can you do that, or you want Nana to do it? Just cut, start here and cut and use this as your guide.
Okay.
It's kind of hard. There you go. You might need to help if you're getting, if little hands are helping you, you might need to assist because denim is kind of tough to cut sometimes. Okay, so now we have 2 pennants. Okay, so then what we did is we just kind of eyeballed it and we came down about, I'm going to call that about an inch in and an inch from the top. And we kind of just pinched it, folded it over, and then we took our scissors and we just kind of, you just want to make a little hole, so we just kind of barely cut in to make a little opening to put our twine through. And that's what we're stringing it on, is just some twine. So again, just eyeballing it. What are you guys up to today on Sunday evening?
Bonnie and X and Jordan are playing us out at the creek.
They are. We're watching the rest of the kids down at the creek right there. All right, where am I going? I went in the top, didn't I? I had to remember how I strung this. So now we're just popping the twine through, coming around the back, and then putting it back in. Emma's working on the holes on the other one. And then we're just stringing it. And then job.
And that's the other.
Awesome. Okay, now I'll string it on here. And then I'm going to try to turn the camera where you can see what M's doing. M is decorating each pennant. Do you want to show them what you're using?
Using the stamp.
We have a stamp, a star stamp. Now, if you don't have a star stamp, you can certainly paint this on with a brush. But we have a star stamp. We took some just white acrylic paint. We put a little bit on a paper plate. And M is, you want to go ahead and do one?
Mm-hmm.
She's just dipping very lightly her star in the paint.
It's not going on all the way.
It's okay. It might be a little dry. You might have to put some more paint. And she's stamping the little pennant with her star. She chose to do a pattern of 5 stars, but it could be any random thing. And so she's decorating her pennant. So I'm going to string this last one on, and M can stamp it.
Hey, Miss Amy.
Miss Amy, hey. Miss Danielle's kids are watching Once Upon a Time and playing on the tablet. That sounds like fun.
We didn't bring our tablets.
I think tablets are overrated.
Yeah.
Okay, are we even? Kinda. Let's get them. We're just kind of adjusting our pennants to where they're semi-even,
Nope, wait, buttons are there.
spaced apart, the same length. I think that's close. Okay, do you want to stamp this star? And then we'll finish it off. Nana's going to open, let me borrow the scissors. We're going to, oops, look what I did. I just got the buttons in paint. We have some decorative ribbon. I'm still using, remember we made the patriotic balls and with this bandana, and we also made that flag, that ribbon flag out of this bandana, and so this is still how much I have left over. So we're going to use this on our banner. Waste not, want not. And then again, one of my favorite embellishments, Rick Rack. This stuff is so cute. It comes in like a gazillion colors. And it just adds such a fun touch to any project. But you know what the hard part is, Em? Is finding the ends.
I can do it.
Can you find it? Okay, so Emma has the last pennant stamped, so it's really cute. I think it's that top piece tucked in right there. If not, I'll just cut it with the scissors, but, oh, I think you found it. I think we found it.
I'm so good.
You are good. Well, we thought we found the end. Are we seriously gonna have to undo the whole thing? Oh, look, there's the end. So it's gotta be this pice. Oh my goodness. Why did they make this hard? Excuse us while we figure this out. They made this for like, I think they were scared somebody was gonna unroll it. Oh look, there it is at the other end. Okay, we did it. All right, so now what we're gonna do,
than we thought.
hey, teamwork makes the dream work, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so now, Em, if you wanna start on these,
What do I do with this?
we're just gonna take them and in between each pennant, we're just gonna tie them like this. Like just kind of tie them in a knot, you know what I mean?
Yeah, for doodles.
On the pennant, and then we'll do a white one and a red one. So that's all we're doing is taking our red ribbon, our red bandana, and our white Rick Rack, and we're just kind of, it doesn't even have to be a knot, Em. You could just like crisscross it, you know what I'm saying?
2 people are watching it.
So we're just kind of doing that in an X pattern along the way, or down the banner. All right, I'll meet you in the middle. Let me move this paint before I put my elbow in that.
That'd be fun.
I know. So this is a really fun project the kids could help you with. It would be fun. oops, for a group of kids to do. Well, hold on, Nana only cut one piece. I'm just taking the whole thing off because this is crazy. Okay, it's all tangled up now. There we go. And like I said, if you didn't have the star stamp, you could just paint it on. Polka dots would be cute. Polka dots would have been cute, huh? Stripes. Here you go.
Thank you.
Oh, look, we need one ribbon right there in the middle, kid. Okay. And one there. I'm just going to lay them out and you tie them, okay?
Okay.
Then, they're I kind of think I got them too long. How many more white ones do you need? Just one?
Yep.
Oh man, we work fast. Okay, look, I still have leftover. Oh, you know what? We need to do one on the outside down there.
You can do it.
It's on your side.
Oh.
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, you tied that one?
Yeah, I did this one. So this will go down there, but I still have all this left over. And then we have a bunch of rickrack, so we can use that on the next project. Move that right there. We gotta move down there anyway with it. I think I can reach the glue gun down here. Now we're gonna use our handy dandy glue gun, which is always great. I kind of didn't want to stand up so they didn't have to look at my pajama bottoms. But that's okay. We're all friends here.
Only 2 people are watching.
Yeah, but people watch it on the replay.
Oh goodness.
Which is fun.
Oh, Mama.
How far out did I have that one? Okay.
Not that far.
This is so stinking cute. Do you like it, Em?
Yeah, pretty.
I think we're going to try to hang this on the mantle. Alright, so I have the hot glue gun. I found an extension cord, by the way. I know you are so proud of me because my poor little glue gun is so tiny. Alright, Em, where's our buttons? You know, you guys know I love buttons. So Em dug out 10 buttons. And what we're going to do, she organized them, but they don't necessarily match. They're all red. That's the only way they match. And they don't have to match. Whatever you have, you could certainly do any type of embellishment on here. But right where we put the twine in the hole, just to help it not slide too much, which we have the ribbon. So it's only going to slide that far, but just to help it stay put and also to look cute, we're adding buttons because I love buttons.
These are going to go in the middle.
Oh, those are pretty. So we're just going to put a dot of glue right on that spot and press our buttons down. Watch out, baby, this is hot.
That part's not hot, but...
Well, maybe. Really? Come on, glue gun. Don't fail me now.
Glue guns are difficult.
There it goes. It's kind of... And it's going to dry clear, so that's okay. All right,
Well,
so...
It smells like something burnt.
Well, it's... Yeah. All right, so we're just going down. Do you know how to use a glue gun?
Nope.
Do you want to try?
Nope.
Are you scared to burn yourself?
Yep.
It doesn't hurt bad. Okay.
I burnt myself in the oven once.
Watch
I'm not doing it again.
You don't want to get glue in your hair. So now we're just traveling on down with the glue gun. Oh, watch Thomas' toe.
I'm going to watch your toe.
Oh, that button's stinking cute. Oh, look, paint. It's not crafting unless you get messy. Thanks, baby. Teamwork.
There you go.
All right. So now,
They're exploring down there. No, Mama was watching.
we'll have to tell her to watch it. All right. So hand me that blue lid, baby, so I can put this down. All right, so,
Pick it up and show.
yep, hold on. Let me come around. You grab that end, and I'll grab this end, but you gotta come this way. So here's our banner. Look how cute. Isn't that sweet? So, what did we use? We used old jeans. that we
Twine.
cut up. Twine.
Bandana.
Bandana.
Whatever this white stuff is.
Rick-rack.
Buttons.
Buttons with hot glue. We hot glued them on. And paint. We painted stars or stamped stars, but you could paint them or do polka dots or stripes. Rick-rack, or to paint, not rick-rack, chevron pattern, or the waves would have been cute. Any pattern will be cute on there, just with white paint. So we're gonna lay it back down and let it dry, and then later tonight or tomorrow we'll hang it on the mantle, right? All right, so that's our patriotic banner. So if you guys like this, make sure you click those 3 little dots so you can get notified when we go live. If you can't watch it live, you can always watch on the replay. Just say hi in the comments and sprinkle the love by sprinkling our video on Facebook. Sorry, we have company coming up the driveway and our dog is announcing. So anyway, we love you guys. Until we see you again, happy crafting.
Bye.
Press the finish button, baby.